Welcome back to my journey to monetization on my first channel on YouTube, my mommy channel. This is month 8. It is November of 2023. So let's jump right into it. I do want to say my numbers aren't very different from our previous month. We were slightly down in the views, slightly down in the watch time, and up on subscribers. But again, the last 2 months very close together. During this month, I published 9 long form videos and 4 shorts. And let's go ahead and jump right into the analytics. Let's get a little deeper. I am just going to even kind of skip this front page. More and more I'm realizing these numbers being mixed are not helpful. These views, that's shorts and long, shorts and long, shorts and long. Like I don't like it. I don't like seeing it that way. It's not productive or helpful to me. So let's go ahead and just go into videos and hit the see more here. Okay, so down here at the bottom, we've got my videos, we've got the views, the impressions, the click-through rate, the average view duration. We are gonna pop our watch time hours on there and our average percent viewed. Okay, so overall my videos, 13%. I'd like to see that a lot higher. Only 2.6 watch hours. That's not good. That is not good. Views, 228, that is extremely low. Click-through rate, pretty bad. Average view duration. So the percent is 13%, and that ends up being about 40 seconds of a video. Not good. This is not good. I don't have too much to say about this. Let's just go ahead and look at the actual videos. Let's add my 2 things I like. So watch time and that average percent viewed. Okay, now I recently did learn this on some of these. If you click it, they will go in order by the number. This first one I can't get it to do, but then like this one, it's already set that way. But like views, we got 58, 12, 6. If I click on it, now the views are going down in order. So whatever you're interested in looking at that moment, you can sort it to go down. So let's just go ahead and we'll start with the ones that got the most impressions. I don't care a ton about impressions, but just to see how that correlates the views, not necessarily matching it. Now let's click on views because that to me is the next step. So the one with the most views was breastfeeding tip for a good latch. So this is aimed at breastfeeding mamas and helping them. It's about a 5-minute video. It got 15% viewed. It got my best, I believe, watch time hours out of any video that month. That was my best views, as I said. Good impressions, click-through rate, not great. And then average view duration, again, still not great. Nothing was great this month. Let's just try the one that got the longest or the best click-through rate. Let's try that. Best click-through rate was this one. Out of 8 impressions, it got 2 views. And that is which large baby items are worth the investment. The best as far as average percent viewed, we got like a 48 here, a 48 here. This creating good habits with your babies and toddler, that one was interesting. Not a ton of views, but like decent stats, I would say. Like again, over here, almost 3 minutes for an average view duration because they were getting about halfway through. This one here says almost 100%. I'm wondering if that was my view. I got to get the views up. You know what I mean? Like I just got to. And then here, if you want to sort by the views, the blue one stands out the most, and that is that top one. But then if you go to say like watch time, blue is good again. Let's see, average percent viewed though, the green one did very well, which is when to start wearing maternity clothes. That one has continued to be a good performer, not necessarily getting in a ton of views each month. But at this point, I mean, that's my first long form video from July. We're months later. It's still getting views, not great views, but when it does get the views, it gets good watch time. It gets good, percentage viewed or average view duration. So still so happy and proud of that video. But we're going to move on to shorts because there isn't a lot here. There just isn't. Such a bummer. Not an exciting month. So let's go into shorts and we got one major blip. Okay. Let's go ahead and go to see more. And then, okay, just a quick look while we're on content type here. So here's my views for shorts and likes, shares, and then 8 subscribers. I think I gained 8 for the month. This is why I'm doing shorts, is to gain subscribers. Let's go ahead and go into the actual content itself. And if you look here under subscribers, this crazy, stupid mom hacks got all my views, basically. A ton of my likes, obviously. And it got 8 subscribers. One short did. I need those subscribers. I'm not monetized and I would like to have this channel monetized. So I am doing shorts for the purpose of subscribers. Once I get my 1,000 subscribers, I don't know if I will continue doing shorts and put any time and effort into that area. We'll see. I do think it's cool that it got 1 share. I don't know if anything of mine, if I've ever known anything to have been shared. So that is cool. Okay. I don't necessarily worry about watch time. And average view duration for shorts, I don't particularly care, but just for the fun of it. Oh, wait, I want average percent viewed. That is more. Duration, it depends. If a video is 5 seconds or a minute, it varies. So let me see, hide metric. I want to get that one gone. So just quickly looking, like I said, we got those 8 subscribers. Can you see that there? From that top video, crazy, stupid mom hack. And in this mom hack, I was talking about people, I heard of this mom hack to freeze grapes and put them in your child's like apple juice to use as ice cubes and not have it get diluted by water. And I basically went on a mini rant about you want juice to get watered down. You want it to get diluted. Grapes are a huge choking hazard even when they're not frozen. Now let's freeze them and make them even more dangerous. And I just went on a rant and apparently people liked it. So it had a good average percentage views. People were making it through. It got so much watch time because it got so many views. That watch time though, it doesn't help me get monetized. That's the shorts watch time, and I'm not aiming to get monetized via shorts. And then this next one, breastfeeding, the biggest commitment ever. For whatever reason, people kept watching that one through, and maybe they were getting the information twice. Maybe they couldn't hear what I said. Maybe they had their phone sitting and they were doing dishes and it just kept playing through. So I don't take too much care into that per se. Like down here, this one, 400%. These are all over 100% there. I would rather than be looped and play through a couple times than people swipe away in the first second. So it's positive. We'll take it. Let's just do like watch time and it'll be a huge blip. So that is that. Let's quickly go back to the overview. And I just want to go to the subscription. So I did actually gain 9 and I lost 1. And like I said, 8 came from shorts. Amazing. And then as far as quickie content type here, so my views, shorts versus longs, hours, shorts versus longs, and duration, it is what it is. It was not a good month for longs, basically is what I'm getting at. So let's hope for December to do better. That will be month 9. It should be popping up on the screen now. And if you cannot find it, check the description.